is a common question. So give us a quick moment. We'll be right back to this audio. But Edward asks, are college and university used
Well,
interchangeably? Such a common one.
I love this question. You know, I ran into this. I used to live and work, as I mentioned earlier, I used to live and work in London. So I ran into this a lot.
Yeah, European English versus,
Yeah. And I would say pretty much everyone in the US, generally speaking, we just use the word college.
college.
You know, even if we go to a university, of course, you know, we go to a university, but you just kind of use the word college.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he's away at college. Hey, where did you go to college?
Mm-hmm.
The word university in the US, Geoff, what do you think? I think it sounds very formal. People really don't.
You're gonna stand out if you say like
Yeah.
if you ask someone, like, oh, where did you go to university? People are gonna be like, oh, or to be like, oh, you're not from here. Like that's an immediate way you're trying to like fake being an American to someone. This is an easy way to give yourself away, is if you refer to it as university or uni. No one in the US says uni.
No,
Don't.
no,
It's just
it's
not. Those are British things, European. And I know it's tricky too, because I know like some Eastern European countries, there is a huge difference between college and university and things like that. So I know it can be confusing, but in the US it's college. Like you can say, hey, where'd you go to college? Oh, I went to the Ohio State University for college. Like it's things like that.